Welcome to our tutorial about construction geometry. First, let's select a sketch. Now let's choose a plane, the XY plane. We already have the projected point and the origin point. That's because I checked Auto Project Part Origin on Sketch Create from the Sketch tab under Tools, Application Options. Let's close out of that. Let's select the Line tool now. We'll create a shape. Now let's choose 3-point arc. We'll create an arc right about here. Now activate the 3-point rectangle tool. Choose Construction Geometry. And let's create a rectangle right here. Now let's apply some dimensions. Let's make this line 100 millimeters. OK. And let's make this line 120 millimeters. OK. Now let's apply the fillet tool. Enter a value of 10 millimeters. Here and here. Close that. Now let's activate the Line tool. I want to create a construction line from this corner to this corner. And activate the Point tool. Let's create a center point. You can see the center point, it's in green. And let's choose a coincident relation between this point and this point. Now let's apply a collinear relation between this line and this line, between this line and this line, and between this line and this line. Next, I'll apply a tangent relation. It'll be between this line and the arc. And let's apply one more dimension. It'll be between this point and this line. Let's enter a value of 95 millimeters. OK. Next, I'll use an equal relation. It'll be between this line and this line. And then I'll create a circle right about here. I want to use 2 more construction lines from this point to the center point and then to this line. Let's add a few more dimensions now. Diameter. Let's say 15 millimeters. OK. And this dimension here. Let's say 40 millimeters. OK. Lastly, let's create an angular dimension right here. 115 degrees. OK. And as we see in the status bar at the bottom, our sketch is fully constrained. So let's exit the sketch. OK, let's try something else now. I'm going to create an extrude. We'll give it a value of 3 millimeters. OK. And this concludes our tutorial about using construction geometry.